In this video, we are going to learn how to use the shape function in CADReader to identify items with the same shape, such as doors and windows, so you can quickly get the amount and the coordinate of them. So first, open Drawing in CADReader. Click on Shape, identify target shape. Left-click to select the element. For example, here we are going to identify the WC. So we can draw a box to select the WC. After it is selected, it is highlighted in blue. We can check if this element is selected correctly, then right-click again to confirm. Also, here we can check it again if the element we select is correct. If no, we can reselect it. If yes, then we continue. Input a name for this element. Here we name it as WC and select the search region. By default, it is to search for the element in the entire drawing, but we can also select a specific arrow to select a range for the searching. Also, we can choose a color of the element. Click on Choose Color. For example, here I choose to show it in gray. Click on OK, then Identify. Now we get the result. There are 3 WCs with the same shape in this drawing. Click on it, CADReader will automatically locate its position, helping us to check it. Right-click on the drawing and select Show Drawing in Gray. We can easily find where they are, since they are highlighted in green. Click on the Return button on the left corner. We can go back to the list. Here we can click on View to view the details, or we can delete them. We can also find the result of the identified shape list here. Under Shape, select View Shapes List. And we can watch the demonstration of how to use the shape feature.